The sum of an arithmetic progression. The sum of an arithmetic progression can be derived with this formula. Sn, which is the sum of the n term, is equal to n over 2a plus n minus 1d, where n is equal to number of term in the sequence, a is equal to the first term in the sequence, d is equal to common difference. So if these values are provided and you are asked to look for the sum of an n term of an arithmetic progression, you apply this formula. Look at this example on the board. We're asked to look for the sum of the first 10 terms in a sequence. And the sequence is made up of 2, 5, 8, 11. And we have to look for the sum of the first 10 terms. So how do we go about that? The first thing we do, we look at the values that are provided. So the first term A is equal to 2. The common difference D is equal to the difference between 2 and 5, which is also the difference between 5 and 8, which is also the difference between 8 and 11, because it's an arithmetic progression, that difference is constant. So the difference between 5 and 2 is 3. Therefore, the common difference is 3. Find the sum of the first 10 terms. N, which is the n term, is equal to 10. And so because these values are provided, we are going to apply this formula. So sum of the first 10 terms in a sequence is equal to n over 2a plus n minus 1d. So if we substitute values into that equation, n is 10 over 2 multiplied by 2 plus 10 minus 1 multiplied by 3. This is the same thing as 5, 4 plus 9 times 3 is 27. (27) plus 4 is 31. And 31 times 5 is equal to 155. Therefore, the sum of the first 10 terms in the sequence is 155. There is another scenario where we are asked to look for the sum of an arithmetic progression or the sum of an n term, where the values provided are n, which is equal to number of term, a, which is equal to first term, and l, which is equal to last term. So you don't know the common difference, so you cannot use the first formula we used. So the n term is provided, number of term is provided rather, the first term is provided, the last term is provided. So this equation